Today we are going to make the acrylic bookmark, which is in the Warli folk art theme. Remove the covering first and then make it clear as a DIY bookmark. Now use a permanent marker to directly work on the bookmark cutout. Start making the border in the Warli folk art by using a scale. Now add the border design to it. I am using a very simple design since we cannot erase the work that is a permanent marker. Complete the border. Once the border is complete, now add the elements in the top and bottom of the bookmark. There are one kind of borders that you can add. Once you complete the border, then you are going to make the first musician with a drum in the top portion. One is going to beat the drum, the other is going to beat from the other end. So there are two musicians along with the drum who are going to beat the drum. You can see that the Warli art is basically the triangles, lines, circles, squares put together to make the figures. Now add some musical notes to it to fill the space between the top border and the musician. Now add a good quote related to music. So I wrote, "Music is the wine that fills the cup of silence." So here is a quote that I added to my bookmark. Now after completing the quote, you need to add more musicians to it. So now I add a lady with a trumpet. So make lady with the same lines as you made the upper musicians. Just the difference that the lady would be having a ponytail and some designs on her clothes. Even she would be wearing the bangle. Now add some musical notes to it. After you add the musical notes, you have a big drum being beaten by one of the musicians. To complete the bookmark, add a few more Warli musicians. Likewise. And add the musical notes to fill the spaces. So here it completes your bookmark design. Now what you need to do is to add the tassel to make the tassel for the bookmark using a jute string. So fold the jute string in equal parts, 4 to 5 equal parts, and then add it in the hole. Now the loose ends are to be tied together in the knot so that the ends do not move, and then cut the extra portion as shown. And your favorite Warli bookmark is ready. Like it.